Most Android phones can send messages by using one of the two common protocols, either RCS or SMS. RCS is what most phones now use for modern messaging. It supports read receipts, typing indicators, high-quality media, and Wi-Fi messaging. SMS is the older, traditional alternative, where messaging goes through your mobile carrier. If you want to switch between the two, you can go to Messages and then tap your profile icon on the top right corner. Then towards the bottom, you'll go to Messages Settings, and on the very top here, we have settings for RCS chats. Here I have a toggle that I can use to turn off RCS chats if I want to use SMS instead. I'll get a little heads up here about some of the features that requires RCS, and I can tap Turn Off to confirm. Now, when I go to My Conversations, everything looks seemingly the same, but my messages will be sent using SMS instead of RCS. To switch back to RCS, you just go to the same menu and toggle it back on. And that's it. Nice and easy. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.